Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 4.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 5.6% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices edged up as the dollar softened, while investors awaited a key US inflation report in a week filled with data releases and speeches from Federal Reserve officials for cues into the central bank's potential rate cut timings. The dollar traded on the back foot as markets looked ahead to a week of US economic data that will provide fresh signals on how soon the Federal Reserve may begin cutting interest rates. The total crypto market capitalization has reclaimed the $2 trillion level for the first time since April 2022, as positive market sentiment and consistent inflows into spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds pushed BTC's price higher.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's large retailer sales will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 23:50 GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Price Index at 13:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's construction work done at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.